Hey, I just got a preview of them, bro. They let me look at the box before I bought them.
Yeah,
These things smooth, bro. I'm talking about, man.
I'm gonna keep it real. How you make me
Oh,
feel.
yo, what's going on, bro? It's your boy, Real. So today we pulling up to Full Locker today. Picking up the White Thunder today. Somewhere on the outskirts. I'm in Fayetteville, man. I'm on my Android right now. I left my SD card at the crib because I was shooting a video for the A1 3. So we did hit on the A1 3. So the reviews for those are gonna be coming soon. But today is for the White Thunders, whatever. So we're gonna start here and pick up our pair and see what's up. See what we like them. Matter of fact, the resale price on them on the White Thunders is pretty much at that. I don't know if it was limited or not. I don't know. It's just maybe because it's a Ford. That's what's hot right now. So I don't know if I'm selling people or what, but I do need a full on my collection. So good. Enough talking. We're gonna slide in here. We're gonna get down. See what's up with the pair. Let's go. Alright, so finally made it home. So with these unboxings, man, let me just go ahead and say this. With these unboxings, I'm gonna just go ahead and just like not try to talk to y'all and keep y'all staying for a long time. We really gonna get straight to the shoot. I know I'm talking right now, but we really gonna get straight to the shoot. It's just I'm almost monetized, and I've been like doing my research and seeing a couple videos with Mr. Beast. You know, what he was the biggest YouTuber. Now it's like Cristiano Ronaldo, the soccer player. For the people, you know what I'm saying, that's up there, like they do give you tips. Mr. Beast do give you tips. He say people when they click on the video, they want to see exactly what they click on the video. Like they have to see it within the first like 2 to 3 minutes. Really, I'm gonna be honest with you, like in the first 30 seconds. So I know it's probably like 3 minutes in. I'm glad y'all stayed for this long, but we finna grab the shoe right now. So straight from Foot Locker. I didn't know this box was all white. You know what I'm saying? Everything A1 over here. Got the receipt thing. You know what I'm saying? On the floor. So here you go. White box with clear speckles. I guess you could say clear translucent speckles. I guess you could say white speckles. Flight on the box with a Jumpman as the eye, with the basketball imitating the dot of the eye. What else about the box? Let me see. I ain't trying to do this super quick. I know y'all came to enjoy y'all time, probably just to kill time or just see if you want to buy these. I can tell you right now, bro, this is an instant cop. Like, if you were sitting on the fence about these, man, I got a preview of these. Like, if you sitting on the fence about these, you need to go ahead and, you know what I'm saying, push that button. You know what I'm saying? 11 and a half personal pair. And we're gonna get straight to the shoe. I'll show y'all first. You know what I'm saying? There you go. As you can see, hold on, let me get that real in the camera. Did I get that in the camera when I first showed it? And this suede on this bad boy, it's not furry suede, but it's just smooth and it's like that paint on there. It's just lovely, bro. Air Jordan 4 White Thunder. Jumpman on the back. You got the hit to the white within the netting, the lock laces, and the outsole, I guess you could say. White Jumpman on the back. White Jumpman on the tongue. With the flight on the bad boy. I had to double check. Let me get that real close. Double check. I said white Jumpman on the back already. Air Jordan on the tongue. I ain't gonna lie, that's a clean pair, but I got something way better for y'all coming up, bro. Like, matter of fact, I'm just going to tell y'all, like, probably right after me shooting this, I'm finna go ahead and unbox them A1 3s for you guys. You know what I'm saying? I did hit those in the Discord group. Matter of fact, I don't even want to like be like super like feel super privileged, but I've been telling y'all for the longest, bro. I'm in the IRL Discord, bro. Like I met some people that's in the Discord in real life in Atlanta when B Social was here. I think that's kind of cool though, cause you know what I'm saying. Atlanta got some of his perks. Like we do got an album of my year here. What else? That's the only one I can think of right now. Like we got an album of my year and we got a social status. We don't got an APB store. But I think we got an off season in Locust Grove. If I'm not mistaken, I had to Google that. Don't quote me on that. But I think we got an off season. So, and then low key, I know some of the people that work at Aim on My Year. But we're not talking about Aim on My Year. I think it's one on the whole tense about Aim on My Year. But we unbox those. But yeah, we talking about these fours right now. So here you go. Real quick, show y'all both pair. Now, so what I'm debating on is like, okay, since I do got the Aim on My Ear joints, you know what I'm saying? Should I just go ahead and slide these to my son? To be honest though, like I said before, when I was at Foot Locker, bro, I need a pair of fours, bro. As much as I don't like them, and I be like, man, I just sell my fours. Bro, like for real, if I want to be like how I want it in my mind, I want all the silhouettes 1 through 14, or at least like 1 through 13, 1 through 14 or whatever. You're gonna need a pair of fours. I mean, what's the better way to, you know what I'm saying, start right now? So I don't know, man. That price is high, bro. That price is high on these. I hate the reseller, bro. I hate to, bro. But I really don't rock with fours like that. You know what I'm saying? Alright. That's pretty much it, man. Going over the shoe. I'll give y'all a touch of that suede. Y'all see how that looks. Is it doing what it's supposed to be doing? Nope. It's like a real smooth suede, but it feel real good and it look real nice. It's like the type of paint, you know what I'm saying, that dye on there. That's what make it hit. Like that black. What colorway is this black? It's like jet black, bro. It's black, white, and black. I mean, if Nike, a little tip, if y'all gonna use black, use this type of black, cause this fire. Now I ain't gonna lie, it probably will get dusty, like, you know what I'm saying, when you step outside, you know what I'm saying, if you got a lot of dirt or like dust and stuff around you, you know what I'm saying. I can see these getting real ashy, to be honest. But overall, it's a clean pair. And I hate to say it, bro. I'm gonna just be fully transparent with y'all, bro. I said I wasn't gonna sell my Jordan 11 Space Jams. Like, that's my all-time favorite shoe. What my Space Jams at? I said I wasn't gonna sell a bunch of stuff, bro, but it's all gone now. You know what I'm saying? It's all gone. But we still got some dedicated pairs. Like, it's kind of hard for me to hold on to a shoe, basically in my situation, because I'm not rich. You know what I'm saying? I'm really not rich, so I had to make moves, you know what I'm saying, in order to survive. So I mean, you can't hate me for that. So when it come down to it, like, you gotta survive. So you gotta make it play a moves, you know what I'm saying? But what you gotta do, And I got a kid too, bro. So sometimes those shoes be looking like money to me. I be like, damn, bro, like, alright. But shit, I got them over there, them DS. Let me go ahead and pop them all. You know what I'm saying? So I had a little extra money in my pocket, you know what I'm saying? Like, give me some next payday. But yeah, I'm gonna get up. I'm talking heads out now. The video going on for too long. Probably not that long, but yeah, I'm gonna get up with y'all. We're finna go ahead and switch over to the next video. So if you haven't seen my Aim on My Ear 3s, be on the lookout for that. There will be an unbox for that coming up real soon. Today we have a car show today. Today is I wanna say today's Saturday. I think it's a car show, like where they be having got sold at the Georgia International Convention Center. We're gonna slide up there and I'm gonna do a vlog up there and I'm gonna show y'all that. That's when editing gonna come in apart. But now we're just doing reviews. We stick to the sneakers. I am back in Atlanta, thank God. I made it home safe. You know what I'm saying? So without talking too long, man, without talking too much, I'll get up with y'all later, man. Everybody be peaceful, be patient, be blessed, and be humble. I'll get up with y'all later, man. For the passion, for the people, for the culture. It's your boy Red, man. Y'all be easy out there. Stay tuned for the next one, bro. We finna slide right on them Aim on My Ears. The box is over there. I wish I could show y'all that, but the box is over there. But yeah, I'm gonna get over with y'all later, man. I'll let y'all later, man. Peace.